channel. If this is your first time of joining us, please don't make it your last. So today we are going to talk about 5 things you must avoid to succeed. 5 things you must avoid to succeed. Like, there are many things that are weighing you back. You feel like you are still on the same set. You feel like you are still where you are. You feel like you are still where you started. Yes, definitely. There are things that are holding you back. And until you let go of those things, you go nowhere. So let's look at those 5 things you must avoid for you to succeed. Number 1 is trying to be perfect. Yeah, perfection is fine. It is good to do something perfect, but nobody started on a perfect note. If you have an idea, you have something you feel like it's good, start it. You get good at doing it. You improve by the day. Okay, maybe you have a business idea, you want to start your own brand, you are trying to get everything ready, you are trying to get the shop, you are trying to get everything ready before you start. You are trying to be so perfect, like, yeah, you can be perfect, but you learn as you are doing it. You get better by the day. Okay, just start where you are with what you have. Stop trying to be perfect. Trying to be perfect will weigh you down, will hold you back, will make you remain stagnant. You make mistake, yes. Mistake are the things that help us to grow. If you've not made mistake in your life, that means you've not tried something new. So the more mistake you make, the more better you get at what you are doing, then you see yourself doing better and improving by the day. You see yourself walking towards perfection. But trying to be perfect at the initial stage, trying to make it look, oh no, it will only hold you back. It will stop you from trying to achieve what you want to achieve. It will hold you that you will not launch that business idea that you have. So stop trying to be perfect. So the second one of the things that weigh you down is comparing yourself to others. Are you serious? Even God made you in his own image, so why will you compare yourself with others? Trying to compare yourself, I'm not like this person, I am not like this person, I'm not this, I'm not that, so I cannot do. Who told you cannot do it? You are the only person that can determine if you can do it or not. Stop trying to compare. You're not using iPhone, all your mates are using iPhone, you want to buy iPhone. Yeah, maybe you can afford it, fine, but is that the best financial decision for you right now? Stop trying to compare. Your friend got a car, you want to buy one too. Hello, you can invest that money in a business and take the returns. So stop trying to be perfect. Stop comparing yourself with others. Comparing yourself with others will only weigh you down. It will hold you one place. You will never see what you do as being good enough. That's number 2. The number 3 is low self-esteem. Low self-esteem. Low self-esteem has done more harm than good. Like, self-esteem simply means how you see yourself, like what you think you are worth. Yes, what you are worth is not the clothes that you are wearing. It is who you are, the inner you. That is who you are, not the clothes you wear, the car you drive. Some people have low self-esteem. Like, they feel so low of their self. They feel like they I don't know how to say it, but like, they neglect themselves. Let me put it that way. They'll be like, if I want to say something, what will people say? What can they say? Let them say it. Yes, let them say what they want to say. But trying as in having low self-esteem will only hold you back. You see yourself as not being good enough. Other people's opinion will matter more than what you think about yourself. No, how long will you continue like that? So you need to improve on yourself. Love yourself more. If you need to lose weight, do. You are doing it for your own, but not because of what people think, not because of what they will say. If you need to add flesh, you can, not because of what people think, but because you want to improve on yourself. The number 4, it's complaining all the time. Some people can complain. Hey, some people can complain. Anything that happens, they're complaining. They are never responsible for any action they take at all. They will always want to blame it on others. They complain about their work, their job. They complain about the government. They complain about everything around them. Complaining will not solve any problem. One thing in this life is, do the one you can do, and the one you can't do, you leave it. Complaining will not solve any problem. Okay, you think that you earn low in your job, why not look for another one? Or why not learn a skill and add it to it, instead of you to be complaining? You complain about the government. Government is this, government is that. You yourself, what are you, auntie? So stop complaining. Complaining will not improve on anything. There are two types of people that you might meet: the people that always take responsibility for their action, and the people that will want to blame others for their action. The people, they will see the mistake they made. I think it's because I did this and I did that. That was why things turn out like this. Okay, let me do this. Things will become better. Then, okay, there are different types of people you will meet: the ones that complain about everything, and the ones that will take responsibility for their actions. Complaining about anything will not solve any problem, but the ones that recognize their mistake, they say, it's because I did this, it's because I did that, that was why things turn out like this, let me do it like this, it will be better. That is how you improve on yourself. So the number 5, or the last, is fear of failure. Yeah, nobody wants to fail, definitely. I don't want to fail either. So nobody wants to fail, but not trying because of the fear of failure will only hold you at the same place. Yes, because you are afraid to fail, you have refused to try. How do you think you will improve? Okay, let's say that you were afraid to walk when you were born. How will your life be by now? Like, you are afraid to sit, crawl, and walk. You will grow into adult still lying down on the bed. You can't walk, you can't talk. So you try. Any born baby start walking, he or she doesn't succeed at the first step. They fall, they get up, they keep trying. That's a very good example. So if you must succeed, you have to keep trying. You have to keep trying. So this is where we come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you see some videos that will help you on your personal development, your business, and your beauty. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you.